Robert.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyone Jamaican for quite some time now.
Yeah.
Name 5 things where a Jamaican don't like.
Number 1, they don't want to see you bite dumpling with your teeth in front of them. It irritates them. Number 2, no matter how much argument you have with them, don't insult their mother in front of them. Behind them, okay, is your own problem. In front of them, don't insult their mother. Number 3, if you're visiting a Jamaican man, make sure you inform him that you're coming. Just show up, it pisses them off. Number 4, if you're opening a drink for them, don't open a drink for any Jamaican person. Number 5, no matter how their children is bad and you have a quarrel with Jamaican men, don't mention their children. Stay out of their children in front of them. Yes, I think it's 5 now.
Yes.
There are more, but since you asked 5, that's 5 for you.
Guys, how well did you do? Comment down below and see how well you did.